So now it's time to learn how to delete a movie from your database. Well, deleting is probably the easiest thing in any API. It's very simple because deleting doesn't require a lot of things to do. It only needs the movie ID, and then it's gonna get the job done. You only need to provide the movie ID or the resource ID, and it's gonna take care of everything. So it's very, very simple and straightforward. So let's start working on deleting a movie from our database. So to delete a movie, first of all, I'm gonna create a file here, and then I'm gonna name it delete underscore movie.php. And then as usual, I'm gonna get some code from the update here. So what we need to get is that we need the header and the require and the array here. We need these three. I'm gonna copy this part, and then I'm gonna paste it in the update here, and then I'm gonna close my PHP tag here, my question mark, and also the angular bracket. And then let's start working on deleting a movie. So in order to delete a movie, what we need is that we need to provide the movie ID. So we need to provide movie ID. So first of all, we need to say if, and then if is set, if the movie ID is provided to us. So here, movie ID, and then we use post request. Don't use get for deleting. It always must be post request. ID, if we have the ID, if we have the movie ID, then we can move on, else, if and else. So if you have the movie ID, we can here move on and delete the movie. If we don't, else we can't. We cannot delete the movie because we don't know which movie to delete. Pretty simple. So now here in the if statement, we need first to get the ID. So I'm going to say here post, and then I'm going to get the ID, the movie ID, and then I'm going to store it in a variable called ID. ID is going to be equal to post ID, and then I'm going to make I'm going to prepare the query. So the query, we need to use the connection again, and then we need to use the prepare function to type our query. So the query is for deleting something from the database is delete, and then from, and then the name of the table, which is movies in our case, and then which movie we want to delete. So that we need to delete the movie that has an ID of ID, and then equals to, and then question mark, the ID of question mark.